PTSD after a car accident or an on-the-job injury isn't just imaginary or something in your head. It's a recognized medical condition. It can change how you sleep, drive, work, and feel day to day. Here in North Carolina, emotional trauma and psychological harm can be part of a personal injury claim. They're called non-economic damages. That means your pain, your fear, your loss of enjoyment of life, those matter under the law. So, if you're dealing with flashbacks, nightmares, panic in traffic, or you've withdrawn from the things you used to love, you're not alone, and you're not imagining it. PTSD can follow car wrecks, workplace incidents, or violent events. Here's the challenge. Insurance companies often accept the broken bone they can see on an X-ray, but minimize the injury they can't. They'll say symptoms are temporary, unrelated, or just normal stress from life. That's why experienced legal representation matters. It's not about being combative. It's about demonstrating the truth and making sure the full story is heard. So, how do you document PTSD for a claim in North Carolina? 4 simple steps. First, medical diagnosis. See a qualified professional. Your primary care provider can refer you to a psychologist or psychiatrist. A formal diagnosis and treatment plan create a clear medical record. Second, therapist evaluations. Ongoing notes from counseling sessions track symptoms over time, sleep issues, avoidance behaviors, hypervigilance, anxiety, depression, and how these affect work and relationships. Third, family or witness testimony. People close to you can describe changes they've noticed, missed family events, irritability, isolation, or driving avoidance since the accident. Their observations can fill in the day-to-day impact. Fourth, consistent self-documentation. Keep a simple journal, symptoms, triggers, missed work, and how therapy or medication helps. Consistency builds credibility. When we build a case at Kellum Law Firm, we account for both physical and emotional injuries. That means gathering medical records, therapy notes, employment and wage information, and statements from people who know you best. We work with your healthcare providers, and, when appropriate, independent experts who can explain PTSD in plain language to an adjuster or a jury. North Carolina law recognizes non-economic damages like pain and suffering, emotional distress, and loss of enjoyment of life. The goal is full and fair compensation, not just what's easy to tally on a receipt. Kellum Law Firm has spent over 50 years helping accident victims and families across North Carolina, New Bern, Raleigh, Greenville, Jacksonville, Wilmington, and beyond. Local experience matters because courts, judges, and even traffic patterns here shape how a case is proved. If you're already in treatment, that's a strong start. If you haven't begun, it's okay to ask for help now. Getting care is good for your health and good for your case. And if an insurer pushes back, we push forward with evidence. You can reach out anytime. Help is available 24/7, and consultations at Kellum Law Firm are always free. It costs nothing to understand your options, and there's never an obligation to retain us. PTSD is real. Emotional trauma counts. Non-economic damages matter, and you don't have to deal with this alone. We're with you all the way. Over 50 years helping North Carolina families. Our team are ready to help. Contact Kellum Law Firm today on 1-800-ACCIDENT or visit kellumlawfirm.com.